Magandang araw mga katribo, ito po si Kadlawon at welcome po sa aking vlog. And for today's vlog po is ask ko tayo ng guide for the first quarter of 2024. So, marami po akong iba't ibang klaseng cards dito sa tabi ko. And mamimili po ako ng 3 cards. Okay, so ito yung napili ko. Yung Animal Spirit na card. Yung Tarot card. And then, mamimili pa ako ng isang cards. Gabaybayin. Okay, so let's begin. Hahatiin po natin itong reading na to into 4 parts para po sa mga iba-ibang zodiac signs. Pagsasamahin po natin yung Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. So yung pangalawa. Pangatlo is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Pang-apat is Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. So unahin po natin is yung Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So let's begin. Pwede nyo pong i-click yung link below for para mapunta po kayo dun sa zodiac nyo. So this is for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and this is only a guide. It's a very short reading. Guide po for our first quarter of the year 2024. Sa baybayin naman. Nakaraan, pag-ibig, sarili. Nakaraan, pag-ibig, sarili. Tarot card naman. Let's see. For Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, sinasabi ng baraha is that it's asking for self-love. Okay, you're turning to be a different person, which is supposed to be hindi, dapat. Bumalik ka sa dati. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Ay kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo, ay malalagpasan mo rin naman yan. Lahat naman tayo ay malalagpasan yung mga pinagdadaanan na yan. Just be yourself and good things will come. Yan. So, thank you. Next natin is so this is our second reading. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. So, ano ang spirit energy? Let's see. Beat. So, for gabaybayin, so this is for gabaybayin. Natin sa tarot cards. Actually, this is a good sign eh. Itong cards na nakuha mo is a good sign pero you have a doubt. You're asking for a guidance kung ipupush mo yung kung ano mang sitwasyon ka ngayon. Mukhang buntis ka eh. So this is not a prediction but it's a guide. If you are pregnant or thinking to be pregnant, it's not the time to be maging tamad, magsumikap. Okay? Kung naku-confuse ka kasi natatakot ka because of financial, think of it another way. Okay? Having a child or having a family is a blessing. It's not all about financial. Yes, it's about finances. Pero the best thing about it is yung you're creating your own family, you're being with someone, will soon have a baby. So think positive lang, okay? And it's not the time para magtamad-tamad again. If you're in doubt of creating your own family, don't be afraid. Okay? Magsumikap, magsipag para mabigay mo ang magandang buhay sa family, sa magiging anak mo, sa magiging pamilya na mabubuo mo. Okay? This is for Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. Kung ikaw naman ay single, itong cards na to is doubtful ka kasi meron kang new beginning na paparating, or maybe a new business, or maybe a new job. You're just too careful. Sipag lang, okay? Sipag lang, and everything will be alright. So always staying positive regardless. I know that you're seeking guidance spiritual or kay God or sa poong may kapal, pero lagi mong iisipin ikaw pa rin ang gumagawa ng iyong kinabukasan, ikaw pa rin ang gumagawa ng iyong kapalaran. Sipag lang, sipag. Okay, everything will be fine. Okay? Si God is nandyan lang yan, mag-guide sa atin. If you're doing a good job, if you're doing a good thing, then positive attracts positive. So think positive lang. Okay? Maganda naman kasi yung yung intention. Confused ka lang, just think positive. Okay, again, this is for Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. Okay, thank you. Next natin is si Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, so this is for Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Check natin yung animal energy. Okay. Okay. Kung mukhang Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, mukhang love reading itong ko sa inyo, nasisense ko sa inyo. So, mukhang doubtful ka sa partner mo. Let's see. Okay, so this is regarding your love life, mga Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This first quarter of the year, hindi maganda ang love life. So, meron akong nakikitang mga pagloloko na nangyayari. Just open your eyes, okay? Be sensitive, okay? Be sensitive, open your eyes, and kapit lang. Kung mahal nyo ang isa't isa, pag-usapan nyo yan. Okay? Listen to your partner. Okay? Kung hindi na maayos, let go. Pero kung kaya nyo pang ayusin, pag-usapan nyo mabuti. Actually, ito yung reading na ayokong reading, it's because hiwalayan to eh. Nauuwi to sa hiwalayan. So, very, not so good for the first quarter, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, for your love life. Okay? Just open your eyes. Be sensitive. Pag mahal mo, push lang. Okay? Pero pag nasasaktan na, pag hindi na kaya, bitaw. Lang naman yun eh. Just make yourself happy. Kung saan kayo masaya, dun kayo. Kung hindi na kaya, bitaw. Yun lang yun. Okay? Just be sensitive. Listen. Listen. Don't use your eyes. Okay? Listen. Pakinggan mo yung mga sinasabi sa'yo ng kapaligiran mo. Okay? Nagbibingi-bingihan ka kasi. May mga nagpapayo sa'yo. Pakinggan mo sila. Kung ano man yung pinapayo sa'yo, consider it. Hindi ko sinabing sundin mo, pero consider it. Pag mahal mo pa yung tao, go. Pag hindi na, kung kaya pang ayusin, pag-usapan, pag hindi na talaga, bitaw. Again, kung saan ka masaya, doon ka. Kung saan kayo liligaya, doon kayo. Walang sisiyan sa huli kasi choice nyo yan eh. Okay? Ginawa nyo yan, kung ano man yung ginawa ng partner mo, kung ano man yung ginawa mo, ginawa nyo yan, choice nyo yan. So, kailangan nyong panagutan yung mga bagay-bagay. Okay? So, ayan. This is for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Next. Ito naman is last. This is for Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. So, tingnan natin yung animal spirit guide. Let's see. For elk. Tingnan natin yung kabaybayin. Sisla. Okay. Ang ganda ng cards mo. Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Ito. Okay. So, for Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer, huwag ka panghinaan ng loob. Ang ganda ng first quarter of the year mo. Kung nagbabala kang magbiyahe, makakapagbiyahe ka. Okay? Lakasan mo lang yung loob mo. May mga opportunity na dadating. Okay? Pag-isipan mong mabuti. Okay? Lakas lang ng loob. Tiwala lang sa sarili. Okay? Kumbaga, alamin mo yung mga opportunity na dumadating. Do more research. Okay? Kasi maganda yung pumapasok sa iyo ngayong first quarter of the year. Mahina lang ang loob mo. Lakasan mo yung loob mo. Pag-aralan mo. Research. Pag-aralan, mabuti. Lakasan mo ang loob mo. Kung kaya, push. Go. Okay? Lakas ng loob. Lakasan mo loob mo. Ang ganda ng cards, oh. Okay? Pag-aralan mo lang mabuti. Kasi syempre, andun kasi yung doubt eh. Andun yung kaba. Syempre, baka lokohin ka or what not. Baka magkaroon ng kumbaga ng mga maling desisyon. Kaya nga natin pag-aaralan eh. Kung tama ba yung gagawin natin, lakasan natin yung loob natin, magtanong, mag-research, kausapin mga taong dapat kausapin, mag-research, magbasa, kung ano man yung dapat basahin, kung ano man yung mga plans mo this first quarter of the year. kung makakabuti man ito sa inyo o hindi, lakasan mo ang loob mo, maganda yung kalalabasan niyan. Okay? So this is for Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. Okay, so that's it. And hanggang sa susunod mga katribo, ito po si Adlawan. Paalam. And maligayang bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Thank you.